Hello, I'm Ben Gray, and in this video here, we're gonna have a look at Volcano Guy. His main weapons involve the lava, turrets, and jackhammer / drill, and two shields / lava holders. Yeah. He has two tubes. His main abilities involve heat blast strengths, like you can manipulate fire, and he's also fireproof, as he's the natural predator of heat blast, and he is slightly stronger than heat blast's natural predator, Crab Dozer. Yeah, if you have no clue on who this Crab Dozer is, then just post a comment in the comments section down below, and I'll explain. Yeah. Anyway, let's get back. He has, enhanced strength and durability, and speed. Able to keep up with some predators, and he's also able to travel through time, like spinning around in a big circle. Like you can and there are all types of flames. Well, 3 types of flames. The yellow ones take him to the past, and the orange one is for the present, and the red, the future. And it's also ice-proof, so any heroes / criminals that try to have his strengths put out by ice, he just puts them on fire and they melt right away. You can also drill his way through rock, and you can enhance his strength even further by, having enough lava wrapped around him. And he's also able to increase his heat even further, so that he becomes hotter than fire vampires. Alright, bite my shiny metal bow hooky. Oh, and bite my red hot flaming bottom. Hold on. Fire vampire. Go and fight. Okay. Fair enough. Shut up, faster. Grass iguana? What have I told you about those swearing? What did he say? Is that grass iguana? Hey, bite my shiny man up a hooky.
No, I couldn't.
Anyways, back to this guy here. His main weakness is water can put his flames out, and he can survive in space, and he has intangibility as one of his main strengths. But other than that, I am Ben James Gray, and I hope
like this guy here.